Today's class will discuss about servlet forms with jdbc. And request dispatcher. Request dispatcher. See about I'll create a project on servlet with jdbc, servlet forms with jdbc. Create a new web project. To the server. Click on next. Click on next. Generate web.xml file. Click on next. Click on finish. Last class we were discussing about some forms, right? Header.html form, index.html file. This is the preview, right? So like this, I want to create a form for employee, employee ID, employee name, employee job, employee salary, and I want to store the data into the database. I'm just copying the existing file and I'm pasting here, and from there I'll go ahead. EMP ID, employee name, then what is that? Next, employee job, EMP salary. Or else why we can create a new table and we can store the data, right? Whatever we want, why to store existing data, we can create a new one.
Yeah, you can create the table with the employee name, first name, last name, email, confirm.
Yes, that's reason. That's what I'm doing. Create table employee name, first name, email, confirm email is not required, mobile number and address. EMP address, EMPF name, EMP name, EMPF name, EMPLM, EMP email, EMP mobile, EMP address. So now, can you help me out? This is my form name,
Yeah. We have to create a
First
table
name,
in the
last name,
database.
email, mobile address, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So need to create a table into the database. Can you help me out? What is that? How to create a table?
Create table employee. Let's use another like person table because there are a lot of employee tables.
Yes.
jdbc. You're looking for scripts.
Yeah. Teju, you know how to create a table, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Now tell me, Sukuna. Tawani.
Create table
Yes. First
name.
table name. Yeah.
Name. Our table name person. Yes.
Person identity
Name.
is much comfortable. Do you have any table with EMP?
I think we do have.
Yeah. Shall we drop this table and create a new table?
Yeah.
Or else EMP after this table EMP ID, EMP name, EMP. Or else we can drop this table.
Yeah, we can drop.
Yeah. Because we are using employees and employee columns, right? That's the reason I want to say employee. So here
Name.
I'm going to put the EMP name.
Okay. First name.
Or you can use name. First name.
Last name.
Last name. EMP name is not a number, right? It should be very clear.
Varchar 20.
First name varchar, last name varchar, and EMP salary. What is the form?
I think we
Name,
don't have
first name,
salary.
last name, email, mobile.
Address.
Salary is not required to display because this is security reasons, right? Email and mobile.
Mobile.
Number, mobile. Anything you want to do? Name, first
Address.
name, last name, email and mobile, comma, address. Address varchar. Super clear?
Yes.
Table is created called as EMP table. Now select the describe the table. Name, first name, last name, email, mobile and address. Now emp data. So in our web.xml file, first we'll map this emp data to web.xml file. So as of now there is no in servlet object, so let's create a new servlet. Create a new servlet. Employee servlet. I want to say emp data. Clear? Click on finish. In servlet, as per existing code, we can copy from there.
Source method. Service method.
Yeah. Emp name, emp first name, ML name, emp email, emp confirm email not required. The place of confirm email I am going to make as address. Address. So we will pull the data. Name, the name,
address.
sorry,
Get parameter.
yes, right.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Now I want to store the data by using this data by using jdbc. Okay, can someone tell me the steps quickly?
Load the driver.
Yeah.
Beam. Oracle. JDBC driver. Oracle JDBC ODBC driver. Connection. Yeah. Then X. System password. Checking thin spelling. Thin spelling. THIN. The same line.
Yeah.
create statement.
No, I want to go for prepare statement.
Okay.
There will be the statement, insert query for this. Teju? Teju?
She's not there.
Yeah. Now, insert query, I'm passing it here.
Prepared statement. Execute.
No, we have to set the data, right? The above data we have to set into the objects, right?
Yeah.
First is
Can we, in general, real time, do we use prepared statements or?
mostly we use callable statement and after that prepare statement. Mostly prepare statement also we use.
Okay.
Why?
I'm just asking. In real time scenarios, what are we going to use?
Set string to what the next value?
Of me.
F. Mobile is integer, right?
Yeah. Set. Address. Okay.
address is string, right? I am converting the mobile object. Mobile is nothing but it is like a mobile we are getting as an int type, but we are getting as a string object here. So or else we can get here like this int also we can get it. But it we can get int here, but again we have to typecast here.
Okay.
So better we can do it here only. Okay. Now once you have prepare statement, what we have to do? Prepare statement dot execute update or query.
Execute query.
Why query? What is the difference between execute query and update?
Execute query actually only used for select statements. To insert, we have to use execute update. To insert, modify, delete.
Yeah. If one second. Okay. So I insert the insert query. And here, while inserting the data, you have to do something. If name is not null, then only we have to insert. If f name not null, then only we have to insert. Hold on a second.
Chaitanya, you're on mute.
Everything is clear, right? Remember, always when you're writing the JDBC code, you should throw the exception or else you should handle the exception. So why preparation is surrounded with try catch? Success is available. Try catch.
I think you have to put catch over there.
Super clear, right? Okay. Now I'm inserting the data here. Once I insert the data, I will tell you later. But best I'm showing some message here. We'll see next class. Run the application. In my web.xml files, what is the path? /emp data. Okay. There is no Oracle driver is found here. Invalid username password login denied. Invalid username and password. So this is not the way to use it, I guess. Let me check. System manager, correct one. Let me get that JDBC driver copy in my laptop. So JDBC driver will be so in my previous example I copied the JDBC driver in the root webinf lib. In my current example forms JDBC I am going to copy root webinf lib. Now
So for every time we need to add those drivers?
Yes, because every time we are connecting applications, right? Database, right? So one time only. If you are running the new, if you get a new project, you have to add it.
Okay.
What is the form name now? Chaitanya. In database, there is nothing is there, right? Sugana? Pavani?
No.
Employee
There's
table, nothing is there, right? So let me do something here. Insert operations. Chaitanya. I can call it as a Chaitu. Chaitanya. Okay. Come. Click on submit. Invalid username and password. Login denied. What is the username password we use to connect the database?
I think it's system and password. I don't think it's manager because
Yes,
I have.
excellent, excellent, good work. Because I used to work with many people, right? So I got confused. Now, again you run the application. Now if you click on submit button, again I got some issue. What is that issue? Invalid username password login denied. I don't think there should be issue. Login denied. Username password logon denied.
Correct. Do you remember the password you logged in?
Yeah, password is password.
I think it's capital S system.
No, it is giving password, right?
Let me check the old JDBC.
System. Yeah, I can check the old database.
It's only normal system and password.
My application only. Where is JDBC? Okay, this is different.
That's in Eclipse, not my Eclipse.
Yeah. Okay, let's follow the same thing.
That should not make any difference if I.
Yeah, it should not make any difference.
URL.
Everything is same, I guess, right?
But let's try in that way, Chaitanya.
No. This is also fine because we have a method here, right? Get connection method is there. It has you see URL, username, password. That method I am going to use it here. Yes.
So it is getting corrected.
We'll see. Not all variables bound. So now we'll got some exception. Connection done. See here, connection done successfully. This is the way. Once we have to debug, we have to dig into code everything. Then only we can understand more. If you get any errors, then only we'll get some output, some issues. Let's quickly debug the code.
So why it is not taking a name?
Let's decrypt it. Name, first name, last name. Not all variables bound. What is the meaning of not all variables bound? So we given name as a primary key, right?
No,
We should give given, yeah.
we have to give mobile number as primary key.
No, that's right. But we'll see next application. We'll see. So why name is not taken? Name, emp name. Are you sure emp name is using correctly here?
Yes.
Emp name, emp name.
So are we inserting name into the database?
Yeah, we are inserting.
So we are inserting all the variables. I mean, I'm just trying to Google what does it mean. It means that not all the values are there in the table.
Yeah,
That's
that's
why.
it. That's it. Let debug it. No. Once you debug, then only you can understand. Jyotina. Okay. Click on submit. This is a debug perspective. Now we'll see first of all whether my code came or not. What are the values we given, that values came or not, we'll see first of all. Click on F6. What is the name here? Chaitanya. Came, right? You can also, this is first time you are seeing debug or already you saw, right? Debug.
I saw in my masters, but I don't remember. Yeah.
See, name equal Chaitanya came. This is the way debug contains. We have to put some breakpoints. Tejo, put some breakpoints, and we have to always run as a server should be debug mode, running as a debug mode, and our application should run as a debug mode. And whenever you put a breakpoint, right? So that what it will show you here. This area you put a breakpoint, and variable section it will you can identify name equal this much. So here, whenever you put breakpoint, that area you can make it as F6. If you click that area, you can identify that this is exactly where our code is. You can understand the code flow by using debug mode. F name is C, and L name is K, and email is Chetu J. Can you able to see also F name, L name, email, and address is this one. Address is Bangalore. Now we'll see where exactly we can identify. What is the issue here? Connected database done successfully. Now insert query. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 values. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Wait. Okay, null equal to name, or null not equals blank. Then why it is not going in internal inside the code? Name is the value, right?
So, Chaitanya, tell me one thing. We are actually comparing if name is equals to null, or name is not equals to.
Yes, condition is wrong. Condition is wrong.
We can use only one, right? We don't need to use OR statement.
Yeah, we should use name dot equals blank. We should use this one because we written the wrong. Written a condition is wrong. No, sometimes I can provide blank. Sometimes I can provide this one, right? Understand? I will show you why I wrote two conditions. Now our code will work. I'm running the application.
So the problem is exactly that parameter. I mean
No,
comparison.
no,
If
no. We are checking null equal to name and or name dot equals blank. That means if null, if blank, then only we are inserting the data. If you see, then maybe you can find out more zero records, right? Now,
yeah.
previously what happened, Chaitanya I'm giving. In browser. Huh? If you click on submit button, look at all the data. Name, I'm verifying name equal to name null and name dot equals blank or blank. That means both are null only, right? I'm entering some data. Name contains something, but I'm checking only null condition here. That's the reason it's not going this one. That's the reason it's displaying one output null, name is null. No, number format exception 953899355 input string number format exception, which is the line number employee servlet line number 63. How to solve number format exception? Please write 63. So you are passing the mobile here. Now you have to tell me, Pavani, how to convert the string to int. How to convert string to int? Pavani,
Yes.
yeah, tell me.
Passing. Yeah,
Hmm?
passing.
We use a percent, right?
That's not good.
But we are trying to insert the same data, right? Why number from the exception? But what is the mobile number? Mobile is given a string or integer? Number. We are not able to convert it. Okay. Others will change the table. Don't want to waste time on this. We'll see later. That is very important also, but we'll see later. Name, first name, last name, email, mobile address. Everything is very cat. We'll see integer numbers later tomorrow. Don't want to waste time on this now. Now go back here, run the application. Directly I can pass the data here. Mobile. Pawan, are you following, right? Pawan. Yeah. Now run the application. There will be some cache is there, so we have to delete it one first of all. Successfully registered with us, our administrator will get back to you. Data is there. Why? Because comment. It is data is there, so I'm redeploy the application.
We haven't used to commit, so the previous data will be not stored?
It will be stored in a cache, but if you commit in normal also it will work. Why?
We already used an existing object. Do we need to close the connection then check, or?
Yeah, data is there.
Then why it is not displaying with select statement?
we are plotting wrong, I guess. SELECT select star from EMP, right? Right? It's okay. So data is there now. Clear, right? Happy?
Can you show the server code?
Server?
I mean servlet code. Employee server.
Yeah. Everything is same. Now I want one more servlet. It should be registration servlet. This is register servlet. This is login servlet. click on right click here, create new. Sugna, are you following, right? Sorry, page 2.
Yes, sir.
Login employee servlet. / login. I want to use the same form. The form I want to copy like this.
But in form, we usually use the name and password, right?
Sorry?
Login form.
Login HTML I am going to use it. So inside the login HTML, by using name and email, I am going to log in. Name, email. EMP name, EP email. In login servlet, I should add the same code, the service method. But I don't want to provide everything. Write a query here. Select EMP EMP where name equal to question mark and email equal to question mark. I can use it like this, right? Set string 1 name, 2 email. Prepare statement dot execute query, right? Select query. How to select the data?
Present selected.
Yeah. Execute query. string type is result set object. So now you have to tell me while rs dot next method, then
rs dot
get string of. I want to pull only this name only. What is that? First name.
First name.
Okay. So it will be out dot println welcome to. That's it. Okay. It's clear. Login HTML. I have to provide the information about /log. Run the application. Click on connect. I don't want to do this one because it is coming directly. I want to disclose this. No. We will see tomorrow how to switch the data. How to different queries. How will see.
Can you see that employee servlet.java?
Yeah, 1 second. No, I don't think it should.
It is taking.
Yes, it should not take. Login.html. Try this.
Login.html.
Welcome to C. Clear, right?
Yes.
If I give Chaitra as a first name, what is my email ID? c@c.com. Welcome to Chaitanya. So, is there anything interesting to you today, guys?
Quite informative.